In this video, I am going to show you how to install iOS 18 Developers Beta on iPhone. For this, you need to follow these steps. Pre-requirements: an Apple Developer Program membership, iPhone compatible with iOS 18. Check Apple's website for specific models. iPhone running iOS 17.5 or later update if needed. Steps: enroll in Apple Developer Program if not already a member. Visit the Apple Developer website and create an account if you don't have one. Join the Apple Developer Program. Require a paid membership. Step number 2. Download the Apple Developer app on iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for and download the Apple Developer app. Step number 3. Enable Developer Beta in Settings if you have not already. Go to Settings, then go to Journal, then go to Software Update. If Beta Update don't appear, tap Download iOS Updates under Automatic Updates and turn it off. Then go back to Software Update. You should now see Beta Updates. Tap it. Step number 4. Install iOS 18 Developer Beta. In Beta Updates, select iOS 18 Developer Beta. Review the agreement and download the profile. Your iPhone may restart during installation. After installation, once the installation is complete, you will be running the iOS 18 Developer Beta on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.